Kani kadai ka Patisi TV.
Henne kasngi ka khat South Rek unai weng kadai kasni kha jong wei ni kinong yakhi lai loj na ka jing sanchar ki dole yakari India Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru bat hadien baka India kala yo yak jing lai loj na ki bor sanchar jong kari bilan Jawaharlal Nehru lolong ru menteri rang ba do banikong jong kari India yo Jawaharlal Nehru men ba udang em latip ru kum chacha Nehru namar ha ka jing em chu la khamplot por ru na ka banta bantre na ka banta ka bha ka mian jong ki khanna ha borok wei kari kumta de halor kani ka jing don ya ka man sem ka bakham so jane ki khanna bahadian ka jing khlat no jong u ha kasnam ka khandai span ru pusau baka sarkar India klarai ban persak nam ya ka kerteng jong menteri rang ba do banikong jong kari India Jawaharlal Nehru dak ba perpena baka khat South Rek unai weng ka badai ka sikha jong ni ru kraw ha borok wei kari anyo no ya ka kom kawai ni kisngi bakarpang jong ki khanna ne ka Children's Day hadin ka jing yap jong Jawaharlal Nehru bat nadu baka sarkar India kala permenai kani kasngi kum kasngi bakarpang jong ki khanna hakalang kari hakat South Rek unai weng man lakasnam laju rakhe kerpang ini kasngi kabala peteng ru adu menta osnam henne kasngi ka South Rek unai weng ya ka jing rakhe ban perso bhai ki khanna la pelong hakalang ya ka bang layo ban sakhi kattu katne hakane nong ba shalom kawai na kiba ka Patisi TV kalayo banding dor kadai ka bala pelong na ka Reach Shalom Ministries kaseng ka bajutre na ka bantha ka bha kamian nyong ki khanna ki ba em ki surok bat ki bawan na kilong yeng ki baduk tasam ya kani ke jer khe lasdang na ka jingya pat ba ta ki khanna ki ba em ki surok ka blasdang na du khandai lat bar hadien kani la pelong ka flash mob ha ka balai shimenta da kini hi khanna hadien ka flash mob la pelong ru da ka jelang pat ba hakmat ka muda hakaba lawan ajing kren kerpang ru sek pat ba da ka songknor jong ka State Commission for Protection of Child Right ikomina kharkongor
Children's Day, we celebrate 14th November as the Children's Day, and you've seen the theme that the children have played here, how children are neglected, how they are thrown away, how they are deprived of education, they are made to work as laborers. And as you all know, we witness it, but how many of us show sympathy towards such children? So this day is not just a day just to watch and see them and then we go back home. As you know, even the government of India has taken measures with the Child Labour Prohibition Act. Then we have the Sexual Offences Act, which prevents any kind of assaults on children. And we have the Right to Education Act, where all children have the right to go to school right from the age of 6 to 14 years of age. So we as a society should give chance to children that they get the right to live.
hadien ka jelang pat ba khandai lat lapan pot pat sa ka jingele kamen man perso bhai kini khanna ya ka bala pelong ha ka yeng mani Presbyterian ka English Service ha Police Bazar badhang ne ki khanna klayo priang ru da ki jing ai subha ya ki bala nos nyang da company Vodafone
pu jangi ka de ba naman mafia em kini ki khanna ki beshi dan surak ki kam to ki beshi wan krong ki beshi wan dia buk mak ki ka jing thmu ka jangi ka long ba ngen pen ite ki brio in create platform kini ki khanna kin yang hi dala dia kin le kin ka street play ba ki brio kin yo ka ni ka to ka jing thmu ba ngi pen aki ki na ba kin su tho ba ka kim yo jing ye itu ki khanna kim yo jing ye ma nai yen na sam nai ong te ka ka baki yo ka di sang nang da ki wan chi center jing ye okay ki yo hi ma hi ka bam hi yo ki jing hi kai nen ka jing ye ngi ai ka jing ye ki ma ma mum dan bala banai ti ka jing thmu ka jing ka de ku ta hi ba ngen chu pen i ki brio so that people will learn dah kin pe itu kena kin iba aku tu kin ke de shisha where's the love dan shisha ga jigi de ki fi amat ma fi ma ngaru ni kin wan kin kena nyat ki ni ong chesh ka kena tu ki ke en nobody danong la apa ban answer ka ta where's the love dan shisha ka
gini ki kena ke bangi dan lai ki centers ko mga ong pat ki kena la ka jong ka nong rem ki wan la ka jong ki jing siam jong ki na ka rekom ka jing tre ke banga tre nga namar banga tre ha po yo mulong ngai kundu bat kini ki kena takar bat ka rekom em jong ki ka kham bat ka compare si bon na gitu ki badan hanong mon song lot adan ha warting ka ka bakini ki kena ki wan ka long babun sin jan barok ki kena ki wan na ki long yeng jong ki kini ki pa ki batam tinjot lani ki bakrong bat bun na preng jong ki dei ki kena ki badan tang ka keme lani tang okupa bat jan barok kini ki kena ki bawan cek center jongi kini ki kena ki baju penduk por le di bantam ki tinjot bat ban 11 da kumni kum tai ban yo ban pun enjak po ele di bat aman ka por man ka klip mat hibun sin ka ju long bet ba kim ju yo e kalat wat ban le school kim ju yo e ka kabu ban le kai than kim ju yo e ka kabu ban da em kum ki we ru bat dena mar kata kalong ka jing em ka ba e ha nam ta jong ki bat kai ka bang kwa ban ong kalong kumni ka bang ju ong ni ki bor shwa bangin ong ba kini ki kena jongi ki di ki kena ki badakat tengen ya pet shwa ka ai ka jing em jong ki kalong nama dei mangi ki ba penlong ya ki ban im kum tu dei manga bat mangi ki ba penlong ya ki ban long kum ko tu ka jing long namar ba ki hap long kum tu ki hap long tof ki hap long ka jing im jong ki hap long rof kum tu namar ba ki hap ban im da ba kim long kum tu kan ni ka street kan ni ka surok kan namla ka surok kan namla ban im ka 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 jing im ka ba ki im kum ka ta kai
sakawai pat ka jing rakhe ka singi ka bakar pang ki khna hanne ka singi ka khatsau tu rek unai weng kadai ka bla perlong ha ka yeng sa ulat ka jala haraj bhavan chilong hakabala wani simanta ki khna na ki skol ba per ki bana ka ni nong ba shilong hakani ka jing rakhe nor ulat ka jala vi shanmu ganathan laidan langru deputy commissioner ka east castles district ba peter asdkar ka director jong tnat sports and youth affairs ikom mat seudor war nongbri bat kiwe de ki he sarkar jong tnat sarkar ba per hakani ke jelang la pelong de jilak kai ki babon chan ban paso bhai ki khna kum ka magic show ki jing pen bernya de ki jilak kai drama bat kiwe ki bala pan sotnat chikat de ki khna ki balawan simanta sakani ke jing rakhe.
Can you all see me? Okay. What about if I put the ball in here? Can you see? Okay, it's fine. Look. The magician, I will put the ball here. All of them. And cover it, look. It's nothing. It's empty, right? Can see it now? Okay. What a magician do is that he take the ball from his hand, on his hand, and put it in his, what do you see? In his palm, and voila, and it's gone. Just like that. I know that's one ball. This time I'm gonna put it in my hands and I'm gonna blow on it. Sorry. This time, this ball, put it in my hand again, and voila, on the ball.
Every Indian is our own brother and sister. And we must be prepared to work for the greatness of India. In our lifetime, we must make India as the greatest country of the world. These thoughts you have to develop in your mind. For all these things, you must have some aim in your life. As a child, as a boy, studying in 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard or 10th standard or 11th or 12th, you must have some goal in your life.
Sakoi par kajing rakhe ya kasni ke bakar pang jong ki khna kadai ke bala pelong lupa ha khatwai trek mentau nai weng ha maulai moro ya ke bala pelong de ki ken hon ka aganwadi moro harengkat kajing trelang ba kador bas nong moro ya kani kajing rakhe la pelong lupa ha kani kasni namar ka khat sau trek mentau nai weng kadai kasni ke bakaya teng khoru ba kasni bakar pang jong ki rewnget sek namar kadai kasni ke baki rakhe ya ke guru nanak jayanti ha ke ba barok skul ki yo shuti ki balai dan lang ha kani kajing rakhe ki ken thop ya ke menteri sarkar ikong Roshan Warjri uba George Lingdo belong district sports officer ke East Castles district UMLA ke Molai uba M Lang Simle ki doktor ki nong tre ke Aganwadi ki borpanyach nong bat ki wede nalor ki khna ki balawan banyak tuen hakani kesni galadan ro ke jing sami ki khusnam ba per shaki nong shat ki khlong ki bala pandap ya ki jing a inject tikena ki nong ruai bat haki wai pat ki benta ki bala pelong
Sengi kabangi I ki kon ki habit ki jungi ki bawan hang nelor stage bakum ju kon samla ki wan ban showcase ila ki jong ki talent ki jong ki habangi ki jing ruai ki kile ruai mene ki jing tem ki tem mentang sang samla ki dang ai ya ki jing tem ki jing ruai was not bham but hang ni I shisha ba nye don ka sap ka song ka phong ka ba phla ka blue ai haki ba lengba jong ki ni ki forums kum ki ni ki programs ni nget scam ba kini ki hep ki ber ki jungi be ki khon samna ki jungi kin dang yai beteng ha ki sap ki phong ba ki don tamangi te paroba music and dancing is also an art where this also can be a profession la ban long lo ka jimin toy ha ka lawe ka ban wan more like sports as well
ki me ka ba kungsan e kalong ba fidei ban pen kemen ki khon ki jongpi pede ban ai ka jingi ki khon ki jongpi bat kham tam le ban pensier ki nado ba ki dangret kani ka dei ka kamram ka jongpi ki me ka ba ban ai la ka jongki khon ki ba ki dei hok pan yo ha ka jing jongki ninget kat ne spa ngot ki dan ki hap ki beren ni tikana kan ka snong ka sasai kom i amale kom i kom Roshan kin sasai kom I ba George dia so ban long officer jong sports department ban long officer na ka health department ban long doctor ban long nurse ban long ki engineer bat kom tar de ninget namar kata ngai kuble fi tu ke hap ki bret ki buran ka sap kubre ula plela de pri penon kam hoy ka sap pensier me pi ki me ka ai la de ki bat klempat penyui me ki kon di jong pri kemen kot tanga kan ka san henrai ru kin sadan hakiran san ki ba kham khrau ki ba kham he ban long ki nong job hadi na bo
Kani Gadega Pati CTV